Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do some more examples that deal with probability. So this is from the Algebra 2 Regents. It says, which situation best describes conditional probability? So if you guys recall from one of my videos, conditional probability is the given, right? So it's going to be like A given B. Conditional probabilities, A given B. So let's read the answers and let's go through each one. Finding the probability of an event occurring 2 or more times. Well, that's not conditional probability. Find the probability of an event occurring only once. Well, that's just basic probability. Finding the probability of 2 independent events occurring at the same time. Well, that's not conditional. So conditional really means that there's a given part, like given a different outcome happens. So number 4 should be the answer. Let's read it. Find the probability of an event occurring given, that's why I keep saying that word, given another event happened. So that's your answer to that one. Next, okay, so this looks like it's going to be a long one. Why don't we go on to the next one, then come back. Consider the data in the table below. We have males, females, right-handed, left-handed. What is the probability that a randomly selected person is male? So now we have this key word, given the person is left-handed. Remember that the word given means out of. So out of the people who are left-handed, okay, so this doesn't even have a total. So we're gonna have to, let's highlight, I'm gonna get yellow. Out of these people, so who's there? Either 13 or 11, or maybe both of them. Okay, so given, so out of, this is going to be 24. So out of the 24, given the person is left-handed, what's the probability the person is a male? So let's see. Out of these guys, I'm going to just choose him. So let's look for 13 out of 24. So that's how we do that problem. We can try this. At Andrew Jackson High School, students are only allowed to enroll in AP US History if they have already taken AP World History or AP European History. Okay, so we see this word or. Out of 825 incoming seniors, 165 took AP World History. Okay. So we have world history is 165 out of 825. And 66 took European history. So European history is going to be 66 out of 825. And 33 took both. Remember, both is their intersection, so that's world history and European. Good for you guys. 33 out of 825. Given this information, determine the probability that a randomly selected incoming senior is allowed to enroll in AP US History. So here I have AP. In order for you to enroll in AP US History, you have to have already taken AP World History or AP European History. So this word or reminds me of this formula. Plus, remember that it's going to be minus their intersection. Okay, so they are going to take AP US History if they took the world history or the European history. So we have 165 over 825. We have 66 over 825. And then we're going to take away 33 over 825. And since they're all over 825, we'll keep that denominator. We will add those numbers in the numerator and then take it away from the double count, 33. And you get 198. Out of 825. Does it say exactly? I would just keep my answer like this. So your answer, the probability that they took world history or European history is 198 over 825. Okay, so I hope that was easy enough. Remind yourself of this word or. Okay, let's do the next problem. Juan and Felipe practice at the driving range before playing golf. The number of wins and corresponding practice times for each player are shown in the table below. Okay, given that the practice time was long, given that it was long, so out of this, so how many are there? 27. Determine the exact probability that Felipe wins the next race. So how many of them belong to Felipe? I hope I pronounced his name right. Okay, Felipe wins the next match is going to be this guy here. So remember, once you highlight it or you underline it or you box it in, you have to pick one of them. And just for the notation, Felipe wins given it was long. And that's how you do that one. Let's see.